Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I had already previously recorded a piece of this video, but my phone was filled up on storage, so I had to restart. So I already mixed the paints, so sorry, but you're gonna need some cups to mix the paint. You're gonna need some paint. I had got these from Michael's for like $1 and some change a piece. You're gonna need, hold up, some pouring medium. I got this from Dollar Tree, or you can use water if you don't have pouring medium. And I got this V from Michael. Hold on, let's see. I got this V from Michael's also for like $5. And this tray, I don't know where I got this from. I found this downstairs, so I guess my mom brought it from somewhere. So let's put the B back on that. Okay, so you want to pour the paint inside the cups, and then pour some pouring medium to make the paint kind of watery a little bit. See how it's, can y'all see? See how it's like dripping? Yeah, just gotta put pouring medium in there to make it do that. I forgot what color. I think I was doing a purple. Let's see. See, it's not watery enough, but maybe it is. Let's see. Let's pour a little bit more. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see everything. I don't know why this paint not getting watery. Alright, that should be good enough. Let me just add a little more into this one and into the white one, just in case, because these two kind of need it. So let's see. Okay, there we go. So purple should be good. Now let's mix the white up. Sorry if you guys can't see. The camera angle is kind of messed up now because I had to switch phones. So okay, so now you wanna take the popsicle sticks out the cups. So let's take all the paint off the sticks. Okay. And then you want to have an extra cup to pour all the paint in here. Like you gotta alternate colors inside this one cup, so you can pour it on top of the letter. So let's see if I can move the camera toward the letter. Okay, so sorry about the camera angle, guys. This is not watery enough. Hold up, I gotta fix this white paint. Sorry, guys. I don't know why this paint isn't getting watery. Let's see now. Alright, that should be good enough. We'll see when I pour it on there. So you want to alternate colors so you can pour it on a letter that you chose. I probably should have poured some more paint in these cups because it's probably not going to be enough. But we'll see. Hopefully it is. Yeah, I should have poured some more white. But we'll see when I start pouring it. Okay guys, sorry, I gotta scrape the paint out of this. What can y'all see? Hopefully I can see. Then I need to scrape the yellow out. Kind of making a mess. That's why I got this paper down right here, so I'm gonna get on the Glowforge. And then you wanna scrape the white out. Okay. Almost got everything out. So hopefully this is enough paint. I might just have to pour some more right quick before I pour it on the bee, just in case, because this might not be enough and I don't want to mess it up. So let me just pour some more paint right quick, guys. Sorry about the difficulties that I'm having. So let me just pour some more paint right quick, and I can just show you how to do it because I didn't get to show y'all the first time because the video had cut off. So let me just show y'all right quick. So this is kind of, oh, that's wrong. Oh no, it's the right one. So this is kind of good that I don't have enough paint, so I can show y'all. Okay, so then you want to pour the pouring medium in each one of these paint cups. So you can mix it up. So let's stir it up. I'm trying to do it quick because I don't want to make y'all have to watch a long video. So let me speed it up a little bit. That should be good enough. That should work. And let's do this one. Okay. I'm trying to go fast, guys. So now you just want to put the colors all in this one cup like I got. Hold up, let me move this over so I won't spill it. I'm going to put the colors in this one cup like I got this one. Okay. This white right here kind of thick, so make sure you water it down enough. I was just rushing, so you don't have to watch a long video. Okay, guys, let me just get the rest of this yellow out. Okay, so you just want to scrape all the paint out so you can have enough paint for the letter. Sorry that I'm taking so long, guys. Trying my best to speed up. Okay. Then I'm gonna pour the last little bit of purple that I got because I did pour it, so I don't want to waste it. You know, the cup is kind of full. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so You're going to want to move all the stuff to the side so you can pour the paint. Okay, let's move that over and bring this in camera view. So hopefully y'all can see it. I can't really see, but hopefully y'all can see. Y'all can't see it through the camera, but so you want to pour it on there. See, this paint too thick, I think, but that should be okay. So after I pour all the paint on, I'm gonna get one of the popsicle sticks and spread the remainder paint out onto the letter so you can have all the paint that you need. And then once you do that, I want you to pick up the letter and just do this so you can get the paint everywhere. Make sure I get it up there first. This paint is kind of thick, so I wouldn't recommend getting this brand of paint. I'll show you guys what brand I use for my other dirty pours. This is the first time I'm using this Craft Smart brand. So I wouldn't use this again on a dirty pour. Let's do this to get the paint everywhere. You can just use your finger to tap the paint in areas that the paint didn't get to. Or you can use the popsicle stick. So let's see. So let's make sure the paint got everywhere that is needed. Okay, it didn't get right here. Okay, so some of the paint on the back, so I'm gonna just rub the paint on the back end so the back can be colorful too, but it don't really matter how the back look. Make sure everything is filled in. Okay, so this is how it looks. I like it. Sorry about the difficulty in the video. The first video had messed up, so I had to restart. So sorry about everything, but this is how it looks after it's done. Make sure you make sure that everything is colored in. I'm saying it all wrong. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so then you wanna put it back on the stand that you created. I used two cups as the it was right here, 2 cups as the holder to hold the letter up. So let's just put it back on there. Hold up, fix it. There we go. I'm gonna do that as the holder. And this Craft Smart paint, I wouldn't recommend this paint. I would recommend, what's the brand of paint? Hold up, let's see if I can find the let me take this glove off so I can show y'all what paint I use for my other ones, my other dirty pours. Hold on guys. Usually I use Appleboro. This is what I usually use, guys. So I would get this brand if you can. Cause this brand is easier to water down. This brand is kind of harder, so I wouldn't recommend this one. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.